Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add brands to your favorite brands in the About You app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the About You app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu, where we can browse and find different articles. But from here we have to go into the account menu in the bottom right corner. Then here we find your favorite brands. If we tap on this, then we can proceed by tapping on Discover Brands, and then we are presented with different well-known brands that we can select from and add them to our favorites. Let's say we add Nike, and yeah, so you just tap on the brands and it's going to add it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.